Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper on HP laptop. Okay, let's get inside guys. Here I have opened my HP laptop, and if I want to change wallpaper, we need to go to the setting. So I'm going to click on the start menu, and then I'm going to go to the settings, and we can go to the personalization. Alright, and then we can choose background here, and here you'll be able to change your wallpaper. You can use image from the stock image, or you can choose image from your device. And for me, I'm just going to choose image from here. I'm going to choose this image to be my wallpaper. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to close my setting to view the result. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the wallpaper has been changed. And I'm going to show you guys how we can choose image from our device. If you want to choose a photo from your device, you just need to click on browse photo, and I'm going to try this one. All right, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change wallpaper on HP laptop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.